How to download and install Riot client. So first you want to open up your browser and look for download Riot client, and then click on the first website and make sure to sign into your Riot account. Now you want to click on Riot Games right here on the top right, on the top left hand side, and then you want to choose which game you want to download. So you can basically pick the game that you want to download, such as VALORANT, and then click on play for free, and then just pick the platform, in this case PC. Click on sign in, and then continue to sign into your account again or confirm your password. Now you should find the download button right here. Click on download. This should download the Riot client, and then it should prompt you to install the game that you want. And once the download is complete, you should simply run the installer and select the path where you want this to install, usually C/Riot Games. And this should first start downloading and installing the Riot client. And then when you open the Riot client, it should start downloading the actual game. So for example, Valorant or League of Legends or any other Riot game right here. And once that is complete, you should see that the Riot Games client is installed, and it should ask you to sign in again to your account. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.